Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? I hope all of you are alright. Welcome in English class in SMP Islam Sukoharjo. Today's topic in chapter 1 is about greeting and leave taking. What do greeting and leave taking mean? In Oxford Dictionary, greeting comes from word greet as verb that has meaning to give sign or word of welcome or pleasure when meeting somebody or receiving guests. The word greeting as nouns that has meaning. The first words used when one sees somebody or write to somebody. Leave taking means an act of saying goodbye. Well, let's go on to the topic. Pay attention to the table below. Please look and pay attention to the table. This table is about greeting and responses. The first column is greeting. The second column is responses, and the last is situation. Greeting in the first column like good morning. Please imitate me. Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, hi, hello, how do you do, nice to meet you. If you wanna respond or you answer, if there is someone greet you, you can answer good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hi, hi, hello, hello. So the responses is the same like ones who greet us. Look the last column in situation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening are in formal situation. Hi, hello, it is used in informal situation. And how do you do, nice to meet you are in formal situation. Okay, understand? I'm sure you understand. It's easier, right? Because you have already learned from kindergarten and primary school has been learned. If you meet someone in the morning, you can say good morning. If you meet someone or your friends in the afternoon, you can say good afternoon. And if you meet in the evening, you can say good evening. It is informal situation. But if you meet your friend or your close friends in informal situation, you can just hi, hello. And then what about how do you do? How do you do means like hi, hello. It is informal situation. The response is how do you do? Okay, got it? It's easy, right? And then after you greet him or her, you can follow it, nice to meet you. But how do you do has different usage. How do you do used when we don't know the someone. I mean, if we don't know each other, we don't know yet the name, where they are from, we don't know each other. But how do you do has different usage. You can use how do you do when you don't know his name or her name. I mean, we use it if we don't know each other. They are unknown person. We don't know him or her yet. And use in informal situation. Got it? I hope so. Good. Okay, let us go on our studying. Look the table. This table is about leave taking and responses. The first column is leave taking, in the middle is responses, and the last is situation. Look and imitate me. Say loudly. Goodbye. Good night. Bye bye. See you. See you tomorrow. And the response is, if there is someone say goodbye to us, we can say and we can answer, we can respond goodbye, good night, bye bye, see you, and look the situation. Okay, understand? Good. It's time for practice. Practice 1. I hope all of you to answer these questions correctly. Please write down on your notebook or your answer sheet and then collect to your teacher. Number 1. What do you say if you meet your friend at 8 a.m.? Number 2. What do you say if you meet your friend at 8 o'clock p.m.? Number 3. What do you say if you want to go home from your friend's home at 9:30 p.m.? And the 4. See you next meeting means glad to meet you means okay. I think enough those questions and this studying. I hope all of you understand and can answer correctly. Amin. See you again next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.